Hi, it's Danielle from ProactiveVA.com, and I'm here today to show you how to schedule pins into Pinterest. And we're just going to use Pinterest to do this. We're not going to use any external program. You can do it inside of Pinterest. And now all you need to do is create a normal pin like usual. So you hit the Add Pin button, Create Pin. Now you're going to add your image for your pin, add your URL, add your title, and then you just add your description and choose your board and publish at a later date. Now I'm going to publish this on the weekend. Let's see, at 7 o'clock, because weekends are best in Pinterest. And then all you do is go up here and hit save. And now your pin is scheduled, so you can go to see it now, and you'll see this is actually your pins page. So you'll see all your scheduled pins here, and you can just click on the arrow here, and there's that pin, and I'm just gonna delete that pin because I'm actually gonna pin this video with it, so I'll do that again later. So I hope this helps you schedule pins in Pinterest. You don't need to buy any extra programs. You can just do it right inside of Pinterest. And don't forget to visit my website at proactiveva.com, and I have a free social media content planner there for you.